Hello everyone, this is Dr. Paramjot Kaur, specialist periodontist. Today we are going to understand why do our gums bleed. We all know that yes, if we miss our brushing, if we are not maintaining very good hygiene, our gums can bleed, our teeth can catch decay. But why exactly do gums bleed? What happens when you eat food? Let's understand all of this today so that you can brush better and prevent many oral conditions yourself. So what exactly happens is, if you just imagine, if you look at my hand, this part is the tooth and there is inner part of the tooth which is hidden in the layer of gums. When you eat food, naturally in all of us, be it a child, adult or a senior citizen, in all of us, what happens is when you eat food, the food has tendency to stick over your teeth. If it is unfortunately by any chance not cleaned properly, either because of missed brushing or irregular brushing, or I would say inefficient brushing, in that case the food can form or transform into a layer which is very hard and it compromises all the bacteria which can cause all the diseases. When that happens, we have to clean it. We have to clean it twice a day. Most of the times what happens is, since our teeth are all in all directions, not everybody has teeth all aligned, right? Our brush sometimes do not reach all the areas. When it doesn't reach all the areas, in that case, this layer of bacteria has the tendency to go inside the gums and make it loose. When that happens, you will start experiences that there is bleeding when you brush, when you eat something, or once in a while when you eat a very fibrous food like an apple. In those cases, we may ignore it. Please note that this bleeding is the first sign of any gum disease. Even before you feel any discomfort of pain, discomfort while chewing or not able to eat food, even before all of that, bleeding happens. So do not ignore that one sign. Bleeding, it can be prevented. Very simple. How to prevent it? We have to make sure it's all cleaned. So it's not the frequency of the brush, which is twice a day, which only matters. What is more important is efficiency of your brushing. Efficiency means you have to make sure your soft, ultra soft toothbrush reaches all the nooks and corners of your mouth. Be it behind, be it inside, be it upper, inside. Reflect your lip and brush these areas, because these areas collect most of the dust and most of the food and plaque. We have to prevent all these things, and we can do it all at home. Please understand, 90% of the plaque, 90% of the gum problems, dental problems, oral problems, you can simply prevent by efficient brushing. 10%, yes, not everything is under our control. We should visit a dentist every 6 months, get it checked, get it examined, and the nicks and corners where we are unable to reach, we are unaware of, we should get those cleaned whenever recommended. Thank you so much. We will keep meeting again with more such inputs. Thank you.